Hare Krishna. So welcome to this tutorial video where we are going to apply the fast beat of Kartal in Kirtan. Especially we will try to apply in the Prabhupada tune today. So now I assume that you have already practiced the fast beat in the previous video which we have learned. Okay. So once you do that, now let's try to apply that in Kirtan. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Jaya Radha Vinod Radha Vinod Radhe Jaya Jagannatha Jaya Baladeva Subhadramai Jaya Sudarshana. So this is how. So I played very slow so that we can practice, but it can play even more faster than this also. Okay, like let's try to take one example of another kirtan. Okay, now I will not start playing fast directly. First start with the slow and then we will convert it into the fast kirtan. Okay, so I will not show you. You have to play play. Okay. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Yes. So you can practice when in temple, if you are coming, any aarti is going on, somebody will be playing. You can play along with them. Try to match to their how they are playing. You can try to match. Or in your house, if somebody is singing, you can play. But it's always better when while learning, if somebody already is expert or know the kartar, with him or her, if we are playing, then we may be able to understand our mistake. If alone we are practicing, then even if we go wrong, then we may not be understand that we are playing wrong, right? But if we are playing with someone, then it becomes very easy. So you can always keep your kartal like very easy. Pocket also you can bring in your bag and play in the kirtans. Okay, don't worry that if I play, what will happen, everybody will stare at me. It's okay. If you feel you are getting wrong, stop, again you start. Okay, but that's how we will learn, right? So most important is confidence. So once we get the confidence in playing the kirtan, then only we will be able to learn more, right? That's very much important for learning anything. Let's say driving, like if the driver is hesitant of by seeing the traffic and all, how you will be able to learn driving, right? Similarly with the case with karta. So please keep practicing. Hare Krishna.